Hi, I'm Nidisha Bhatia. Currently, I'm enrolled in the first year program. I've just finished the first year program and I'm going to go ahead to do my second year. I'll tell you first a little bit about my background. I did my schooling from Carmel Convent School, after which I went ahead to do my BCom Honours in JMC. I did my BCom Honours in JMC College from Delhi University. After that, I was sure I wanted to pursue a master's degree. But before that, I thought, let me get some work experience and, get a feel of the corporate world. So I decided to work for 2 years. I worked for about 2.5 years with KPMG in the risk advisory services. I worked there as an analyst. After that, it was time for me to do my master's. So I spoke to lots of people who were planning to pursue an MBA or who had already done their MBA and who were working in the corporate world. And during which I met a couple of people, an alumni from Infinity Business School. Obviously, they had very good things to say about Infinity Business School, but a couple of common things that they all had to say about Infinity Business School. One was that the college has awesome faculty. Now that I'm here in college, I know I can vouch for that, because I think Infinity is probably one of the first schools in India who started the concept of visiting faculty. So each subject has a specialized teacher from the industry who comes and teaches us the subject. So we get the best of, I think, all the institutes. So that's a very big plus point. Another thing was the personal attention that we get. I mean, from the first day that I walked into college, I still remember all the management, they addressed us by our first names, and which obviously meant that they'd put in a lot of effort into this. And since that day to now, we finished first year, the effort hasn't gone down. I mean, every time, even a small thing like a test that I did that I didn't probably get the marks I should have got, my mentor would come up, pull me up saying, why are you not doing well? Why are you lacking here? So there's so much of personal attention that I don't think you can get anywhere else, and a personal attention at this point is very important, because most of us are very confused at this point like, at least with me, I was very unsure as to what I want to do. So it was very good to sit and talk to someone. And I mean, you want to talk to your parents, you want to talk to people in the corporate world, and then you have your management, and you can just walk up to them, tell them you have a problem, and they'll address it.